This short training video covers perfectly clear setup, operation, and automation in dp2. You can open and close the chapter list on the right side of the screen to jump to any section. You'll access the Perfectly Clear Setup dialog from the Analyzing taskbar and the Perfectly Clear task. The How It Works tab contains a wealth of information including contact information for Perfectly Clear, and the dp2 help file may be accessed from here as well. On the Setup Parameters tab, you'll need to get set up for running Perfectly Clear in the cloud or locally. If using cloud processing, you'll get a Cloud API key from IQ that is entered and saved here. If running Perfectly Clear locally, you'll get a license file from IQ that goes both in your dp2 shared directory and on workstations running workers submitting work to Perfectly Clear. The Perfectly Clear Presets tab displays image optimization files that must be stored in your shared dp2 directory, and the directory may be accessed from the View button. You can create a single-tiered directory structure for your Perfectly Clear presets created and saved from the Perfectly Clear Workbench application. Images can be submitted to Perfectly Clear from the Order Data table or from the Order Images window. The Perfectly Clear processing window opens in which a preset file is selected, and images are submitted for either local or cloud processing. Jobs are queued to the Perfectly Clear work queue in the database, and a worker needs to be running looking in the Perfectly Clear queue. The worker makes a backup copy of the original image in the source image folder and sends the job for either local or cloud processing by Perfectly Clear. Corrected images are then replaced in dp2, and original images can be restored or deleted at any time. This is a simple command file to show you just one example of dp2 automation with Perfectly Clear. All you'll need to do is include the Perfectly Clear command file and the desired Perfectly Clear command. This example uses the Submit Image to Perfectly Clear command, along with Order Role Frame, the preset directory and preset file name, and additional parameters for ignoring rejected images, creating an image backup, and returning a processed image count. You'll find additional commands in the Perfectly Clear commands file. With a dp2 worker running, looking in the Perfectly Clear work queue, I'll just drag the command file into dp2 for a test, and a backup image is created, the image is processed by Perfectly Clear, and a database update is made with the Perfectly Clear corrected file. Thanks for watching this short video on dp2 and Perfectly Clear.